So today we have day 10 and we discuss about the custom formatting. So what is the custom formatting? So last class we discussed about if you have apply any type of the symbols and any type of the characters in custom formatting. Just like we have typed the MRP amount and I want to show the MRP before the amount. So in the inverted comma, we have typed the MRP and give the 0 and OK. You have show the MRP. So if you have typed any number and you want to show any prefix suffix in your number, we have used the custom formatting. In the custom formatting, we have typed the your prefix suffix just like I want to type here amount amount.
Mm.
Okay, in the
Okay.
inverted comma, now I have put the 0. 0 is important. If you do not put the 0 here, then you have pressed the OK. You can see only for amount means your character only for show. Your figure is not show.
Okay.
So if you want to show the figure, you have type here number. Any 0 here. Minimum 10. Right, sir? And you can
Okay.
also put here 0 and hash. Right? So you have understand we have understand ki if I am to show the any type of the character before the number and after the number, we use the inverted comma and put the numbers, put the your characters, and showing the number we have required put here 0 and hash. Okay, 0 and or hash. What is the difference between 0 and hash, right? So if you have type your number in the any character. So if you use the hash, you have type any character, your number will be show. But you have the 0. Single 0 is and single hash, not any difference. But you have typed the multiple 0. Just like I have typed the 3 times 0. 3 times 0,
Mm.
it means 3 digit maintain. When have type here single digit, that's like 5. Again, you can show 005.
Mhm.
But you have enter here hash, hash 1 hash 2 hash 3 hash 4 hash, not matter, your only for your number will be shown here.
Okay.
I have give also example here. In the custom formatting we have type here 0 hash inverted comma, we have give the rupees, then dot 00 paise. Okay,
Mm.
you can see 0 rupees and 50 paise. So why put the here 0 and a hash? If you have put here double 0, then show here 00 rupees and 50 paisa. This is the odd.
Mm.
And if you have put here only for hash, double hash, so if you have only for decimal places, so here rupees 50 paisa.
Mm.
So we have type here 10. When you put the 10, so the 0 rupees 50 paisa and 050, see the two digit maintain also, and I have typed only for paisa to give 10 also. Okay,
Mhm. Okay.
now I have credit card. So I have credit card number, the first four digit and last four digit, but I want to show like this.
Mm.
So we have used the custom formatting. Go to the custom, type here 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 times 0 in the inverted comma. We have also without inverted comma, x is acceptable. 1, 2, 3, 4, space 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 0, 0, 0, 0. You can see here the topic.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we have convert thousand and billion. I have typed my numbers in figure, but I want to convert this number to thousand. Let's say I have typed the 50,000, but I want to show in thousand. So in the custom formatting, we have type here one single hash and comma. And a space, you have typed any type of the initials like K in the inverted comma. That's okay. We have number in the bigger amount. Then we have apply the billion through the custom. So select here 0.00 and double comma. Single comma for thousand, double comma for millions. Okay. And this is a very useful because you can see here I have the number and this is the very typical the compare which quantity quarter is greater than and which quarter is less than because your figure is very higher. So if you have export in mathematics, then you can use. Okay.
Okay.
So we have shown the custom and now we have used the zero and comma and double comma. But problem is that the figure is very higher. Okay. So if you have lost the point, it means lost the lakhs, millions. So that time we have used 0.00 and double comma. If you put the 3 comma, then trillion. This is the million. And okay, you can see now we have easily understand and visually compare okay, which quarter is greater, which quarter is lower. Okay, okay. You can also apply here custom 0.00 no, 0 and double comma, single comma and K and select this 0.00 and double comma with the B and OK, the billion. Now we discuss about the date.
Sir,
So
single comma and double comma.
single comma it
What
means
is the meaning?
thousand, double comma it means billion, and triple comma have a trillion.
Single means thousand.
Yeah, thousand.
Okay.
So I have the date format also in the date and different countries, but sometimes we have a specific date. So go to the custom, we have type D for day, M for month, and Y for year. But we have typed the one date, so the only for day in the 1 to 3 format. 2D it means 0, 1, 2. 3 it means Friday, Saturday in short, and 4 it means complete Friday. And a comma again DD dash M for month 1 to 3 format, 0, 1, 2 format, and Jan Feb. You can see here the example sample here. And 4B as 4M it means month. and y for year. And you have
Okay.
type any sequence, give the any type of the separator here, and your date will be
Mhm.
shown like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
But in the office we have used the one simple format, dd slash mmm slash yy. This is the universal format. But now you can also use the time. HH for hour, SS for minute, a second on, yeah, yes. H for hour, M for minute, S for second. And you have used the type separator, this colon, and this is the AM slash PM. AM slash PM. But remember, you have time more than 24 hour. That time, use the hour H in the square bracket. Okay.
Okay.
But you can also convert the time in the minute, hour, second. Just like this is the 18 hour 20 minute, and I want to convert this time in minute. So that time we've used the text formula. Because if you use the custom formatting, just visualize, not the original. Original. Give the visual, not the original. So that time we use the text formula for get original. Just select value, and here we have type in the square bracket m. Your time convert in minute. And we have also applied the text formula and select this in the inverted comma, square bracket, keep the s, convert in the second. Okay.
Mhm.
And now also we give the some time. The time for difference is just like 45 hours, 35 hours. That time we I want to extract the hour here only for 45 here. So that time we use the also text, and in the inverted comma we have used the edge. You have do the you have put the only for edge without inverted comma, sorry, square bracket in the inverted comma, to give only for date time less than 24 hour, because in the excel have a 1 equal to 24 hour, it means 1 day.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we have used some tricks. You can see here I have the price list. Price in the positive, it means MRP. In the negative, it means discount. Zero, it means free. And have any character, it means data not found.
Mhm.
Okay. So that time I want to show the initial before the number. Just like in the custom formatting, have a char position. Positive, negative, zero, and text. So we have type
Mhm.
here MRP and give the zero for show the number. This number show the positives, and give the semicolon, and give the another the DIS discount zero. So we have the negative number, so the DIS 3256. Okay. Now again put the semicolon. I have give the zero. The third position for zero, and last is the text. Okay.
Okay.
So you have put the your data according to your positions. Now, zero and hash for the number, and at the rate for text, right? the custom, we have uh, we have typed the company name. I want to, when you type the company name at the rate before the number, here is the at the rate, sorry, m slash s, and put the at the rate. At the rate, it means text. When you put the at the rate, show the text. You can see this is the address. I want to apply the city and pin number by default. So at the rate, we have type here New Delhi 110062. The number. Now we have type here F26, and when you press the enter, you can see here.
Okay.
Okay. You can also convert your password, just like in the sales we have typed the password here. When you type the password, I want to password show like 1542 star has anything. So select the area, go to the custom, and type here double time star. Single star is required. Single star is required, and last is star for character, which character you want to show. I have typed the star also, so now give the star. But I want to show the X here, to show the X. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have the one attendance sheet. This is the biometric attendance sheet, right? This data get from the my biometric machine, and which person have this is the biometric machine. It means the lock machine. Your access card and some information you have put here, put the door lock, main gate, and main gate open and close. The people many time in and out, right? So punch your card and thumb. So this person have a zero count. It means he is not present this date. Okay. So I want to convert the number into P and convert the zero into A for upsell. With the select data, last example we have shared, if you have type here any character, show on the positive, and we have not put the here zero, so your number will be not so. Okay, so we have not put the any type of zero in a hash. Give the semicolon, second part the negative, but my have example, my example not have zero, sorry, negative, so we have keep the blank, and again put the zero, it means A. Okay, so first negative, sorry, first positive, second negative, third zero. This is the placement. So positive it means P, negative keep the blanks or zero, we have put the A. You can see here. Now I want to also color red for my A. With custom formatting, you can also do the color here. We have type here red, blue, sham, magenta, which color you require, and okay. Right, Mr. Christopher?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you have do the practice on this, right? And I give the one homework.
Mhm.
You have make this form in this Excel. So
Mhm.
this is this is the pictures, right? And insert the sheet, and you have make this form in the Excel sheet. Okay,
Okay.
and try to also apply the password character to fit the password.
Mhm.